Dear financial management students, I'm Abeel Ahmed, financial management expert. Today we will be discussing a question as usual from Study Hub. It's a very good question. Okay, it has something very important. So let's dive into the question. Okay, sir. What is the present value of expected cash flow to the nearest thousand? Our company expects to receive annual cash flow $75,000 per year. Wow. In current price term means real terms. For a period of 5 years, real terms means without inflation, the cash flow will inflate 4% and the nominal cost of capital is 10%. Now it's very important. In the entire question, there's only one inflation rate. Now there are two ways to solve this. One, that we keep inflating the cash flow by 4% every year and then do the discounting by using 10%. Second, instead of doing this, we can do one thing. We can basically convert this nominal discount rate to real discount rate. In this way, whatever the real discount rate comes, by using that real discount rate, we can very easily calculate the present value. Let's go to this approach. By using Fisher effect, we can calculate the real rate. So real rate is equal to nominal rate. They have given us 10%. So 1.1 divided by 1.04 minus 1. Basically 1 plus nominal rate divided by 1 plus inflation rate minus 1, you will get a real rate. Whatever comes, multiply by 100, you will get a percentage. I'm getting 5.77%. Okay, make it 6%. Why 6%? Basically, we can calculate the present value by using discount rate, as well as we can calculate the present value by using annuity factor. And you will be having an annuity table in exam as well. Otherwise, here comes the annuity formula. Because every year we'll be getting the 75,000. If you're getting the same annual cash flow for certain number of years, that is simply an annuity amount. And for calculating the present value of annuity amount, you can simply use the annuity factor. So look at this. Annuity factor for the first 5 years is equal to 1 minus 1.06 minus 5 divided by 0.06. Student, you can see the annuity, you can utilize annuity table. If any one of you is having a little bit problem in using this formula, so you can always use the annuity table. I'm getting 4.212. So here comes the present value. 75,000 multiplied by 4.212. So 75,000 4.212. Students, I am getting 3,15,900. Of course, if you are not getting the exact answer, we'll go to the closest one. 315. The closest one is B. To the nearest 1,000. So we'll go for B. Of course, if you take, I have stopped the annuity, I would say factor at 3 decimal. If you take one or maybe if you take 4 or 5 decimals, so automatically you will have answer more closer to 318. Otherwise, let me tell you, if you're not having exact answer, like we are not having here exact answer, we'll go to the closest one and you will not make any mistake. Don't worry at all. And the closest one is 318. And student, don't forget one thing, that Alhamdulillah, ASA is having the honor of producing world top in FM, AFM. In taxation, we have the honor of producing 99 marks. In ATX, we have the honor of producing 92 marks, and that student ranked 5th in the entire world as well. Either 5th or maybe 3rd, I'm forgetting that. In SBR, we have the honor of producing 85 marks. I'm just mentioning the highest marks. In FR, we have the honor of producing 92 marks. PM, 85 marks. What else paper is left? So AFM, highest marks so far, they're 83. ATX, they are exactly, I don't remember, I think they're 91 or 92 in ATX. Okay, and I've mentioned more or less all the marks. In FM, the highest marks are 94. So these are the highest marks so far which ASA, Alhamdulillah, we have achieved. So thank you very much for watching this lecture. And let me tell you one thing, once you get enrolled at ASA, from day 1 till day last, you get a proper support. And whenever a student, enrolled student, of course, they ask queries from us, here directly teacher is going to reply your queries. We do not keep teacher assistant who reply you. It is always the teacher who replies your queries, always. And we normally resolve the queries of our students within 3 to 5 minutes. So thank you very much for watching this concept building video, and this question we have taken from Study Hub. Thanks a lot. I hope that you liked this video.